Hi viewers, welcome back to Siri Algorithms YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, I'm going to explain the Pearson correlation. This is a continuation video to my previous videos of batting statistics. Now I'm going to show you the Python code. So please walk through with me. Let me open the Jupyter notebook first. So, in my previous videos, I explained up to the visual interaction on the batting statistics. Now, continue the Pearson correlation analysis. So, let me take a variable. Correlation is equal to the variable, the data frame is dfbat dot correlation of. So here is the table. So the Pearson correlation values always stands between the -1 to 1. So if the correlation value is the positive and it is close to 1 means the variable have the highest impact on the target. That means that is a positive relationship between the two variables. Let me explain one small example here. Maybe you have two variables. One is years of experience and the second variable is salary. So if your years of experience is increasing, your salary also increases. Then that is a positive relationship between the two variables. Both are traveling into the same direction. Maybe if your years of experience is increasing but salary is decreasing, in that scenario it is a negative relationship between the two variables. So for example, in this case, if I am taking my target is runs, I want to see which is the which is the which variable have the highest impact towards to my target. So instead of showing the numbers in the tabular form, let me draw a heat map, the visualization. That way I'm visualization through I'm going to explain the which one have the highest impact on the target. So how to draw an heat map? So first I'm taking like a matplotlib plt dot figure of. I'm taking the figure size. The width is 10 and height is 6. So SNS dot Seaborn is a library. Heat map of the map type is heat map. So correlation comma annotation is equal to true. I will tell you what it means. So now you can see here I haven't selected any color. The default color was given by the interpreter. So if you see if your target, in this case, if I'm taking my main target is runs, so which variable have the highest impact on this target? So if you see this one, here this is 0.96, that means it is a positive value and close to 1. That means this variable have the highest impact. That means it has a direct relation towards to the target. So if the player get the chance to face more balls, then automatically he have a higher chance to score the runs, higher runs in the game. So balls faced, if he face more balls, then there is a chance, they have a higher chance to score the more runs. So that is a direct relationship. And second, you can see this is also have the 0.96. So if he hit more force in the game, then they have also higher chance to score the more runs. So this is so which one have the highest and direct relationship towards to the target means balls faced here. And what is true here? If I don't take this argument annotation true, what will happen, you can see the numbers won't be printed on top of the heat map. We have to compare it with the color scale. That's going to be little difficult, so that's why we are taking like a annotation is equal to true, so the numbers will print on top of it. So you can see this. So this is the way. So now we can clearly we can see it, the correlation values, the Pearson correlation values on this. Next, if you don't like this color, if we have an option, we can take like a C map is equal to two types, cool warm. If you take like a cool warm, it is a combination of blue and red. Maybe if you don't want the cool warm, you can go with the viridis. Viridis. You can see yellow and purple. This combination. Next, I'm going to sort the columns. So I'm taking like a correlation 1 is equal to df bat dot. You can take like a correlation of, I want to sort the column is runs. So I'm just taking like a runs. This is my column. So runs correlation 1 dot sort values of, you can sort values of ascending is equal to false. So here you can see this is my target. So which one have the highest correlation, like which one have the highest impact towards to the target, that is like a balls faced. If the player get a chance to face more balls, they can automatically have a higher chance to score the higher runs in the game. So direct relation. So this is the way you can draw the correlation, and we can see it clearly which variable have a direct relation towards to the target. So thank you. See you in next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.